Thank you kay Ate Grace for sponsoring our 3D ultrasound for today.
Thank you, Ninang.
Salamat Ate Grace. See you later, baby Jacob.
See you, Daddy.
Let's go. Hello. How far is the clinic, baby?
10 minutes.
Mga 10 minutes lang.
Yes.
Okay. Good morning. Is it right side? It's okay to go. Hello fam, samahan nyo kami. We're gonna see baby Jacob today. it a clinic or a house?
It's a house.
And we just arrived. Are you excited, baby?
Yes, really excited to see our baby boy.
Are you excited, Jacob?
He's already sleeping. Jacob. Wake up, baby.
It only took us 7 to 10 minutes to get to the clinic. This is actually one of the advantages of living in a small city. Lahat accessible, mabilis lang. So, kumatok na tayo.
Yes.
Yan yung clinic. Mukha siyang bahay. Actually, bahay siya. Again, salamat Ate Grace. Be careful, baby.
Yep. Just in there. And just have a seat in there. I'll be with you in just a couple of minutes.
Thank you. Oh, nice. This is a beautiful room.
Thank you.
All right. My hands are a little bit shaking because I'm a little bit nervous.
Do be, Daddy. Baby friendly.
So, napaka-linis and napaka-cozy ng room na to. Alright.
Just find that little spot. Just want to get a warm towel.
Be a good boy, Jacob. Allow us to see your face, okay?
Show mommy and daddy.
Show us how pogy the baby is.
Okay, baby.
A great help defense play. Dow's got to dunk that ball. But Bryant, just like Dwayne Wade, great coming from the weak side.
That's the right arm. For the fist, actually.
Is he like praying or something?
Just got the one hand up like
Okay.
this, yeah. Nice moves. His nose turns up a wee bit on the end there too.
Are you a chubby baby, Jacob?
Yeah. Yes. chicks.
You're chubby like mommy? So our 3D appointment is almost done na po. We are just so blessed that yung nag-assist sa amin is so professional, and she's so sweet as well. Definitely this clinic, this place is recommended. What do you think, baby?
I think we have a chubby baby.
Are you chubby, Jacob? You chubby? Because mommy is eating too much rice, that's why.
Okay.
And we are done and happy.
And satisfied. And not worried anymore.
Yep, because we do have a chubby baby. And that is a wrap.
There's our chubby baby boy.
So sabi ko nga po kanina, si Judy
Yeah.
ang nag-assist sa amin, which is napaka-sweet, napaka-professional. And I told her that some professionals, they do their job. Some, they do it with compassion. And some, just like her, they do it with passion and compassion. So shout out and thank you to Judy for being a part of our journey. We appreciate it. It's against the light. Pinakita niya sa amin kung gaano ka-chubby ang aming baby. So we are definitely blessed. We are just so thankful to meet genuine people like that. And we're not going to take it for granted. And again, thank you to Ate Grace.
Yes. Your baby's pictures already. Not just 2D, 3D and 4D.
So salamat sa pagsama sa amin sa araw na to. And hopefully, see you on the next vlog. Have a blessed day, everyone.